In this video, we're demonstrating how to install an OtterBox glass screen protector on your tablet. First, remove your case if applicable. Clean device's screen with the included alcohol wipe. And dry with the microfiber cloth. Dab the screen with the dust sticker to remove any unwanted particles. Now for the install. Remove blue tabs labeled number 1 from stickers. Align glass and adhere stickers to the device edge to hold the glass in place. Lift and hold the tab marked with the fingerprint symbol and remove film with the green tab number 2. Avoid touching the adhesive surface. Next, lower glass holding the tab with a fingerprint symbol and align on the screen of your device. Next, remove film with the red tab labeled number 3. Finally, use the microfiber cloth to press out any unwanted bubbles. And there you have it. Now you're ready to use your tablet protected by OtterBox screen protection.